Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto and finance tips. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my own experience with the Hodlnaut crypto card. Join us on Rome Tips as we dive into a comprehensive review of the Hodlnaut crypto card, exploring its features, target audience, and my personal usage experience. This will help you determine if this card aligns with your cryptocurrency spending habits. The Hodlnaut crypto card is specifically designed for users of the Hodlnaut platform, renowned for its crypto lending and interest-generating services. This card seamlessly bridges the gap between holding and spending your digital assets, catering to individuals who want to earn interest on their holdings while maintaining easy access to their funds for spending. With the Hodlnaut crypto card, you can make payments using Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies. The card instantly converts your crypto to fiat currency at the point of sale, eliminating the need for manual pre-purchase crypto sales. Hodlnaut handles the entire conversion process in real time with each swipe. A key advantage of the Hodlnaut crypto card is its seamless integration with the Hodlnaut app. This integration provides you with complete control over your spending and access to a detailed transaction history. You can easily set spending limits, lock your card if necessary, and monitor your account activity through the app's user-friendly interface. A compelling incentive to use the Hodlnaut crypto card is the Cashback Rewards program. Every purchase earns you cashback, which is credited back in cryptocurrency, further enhancing the growth of your digital assets even as you spend. The cashback percentage is tiered, increasing with your level of engagement within the Hodlnaut ecosystem. Loyal users and holders of Hodlnaut's token enjoy especially attractive reward rates. This card is particularly well-suited for Hodlnaut users already utilizing the platform's interest-earning features and seeking a convenient method for accessing and spending their cryptocurrency without the hassle of transfers to external wallets or exchanges. It's a perfect fit for those who prioritize convenience and ease of use, and who seek a seamless crypto-to-fiat conversion process coupled with rewarding cashback benefits. The card's competitive fee structure, free from monthly charges or hidden fees, further enhances its appeal to crypto-savvy spenders. My personal experience with the Hodlnaut crypto card has been consistently positive. It offers a straightforward and efficient solution for daily cryptocurrency spending. Transactions are processed quickly and effortlessly, the app's interface is intuitive, and the rewards program provides a valuable incentive for active Hodlnaut users. Overall, it's a robust choice for anyone already engaged with the Hodlnaut ecosystem or considering venturing into crypto lending with spending flexibility. For a deeper dive into the Hodlnaut crypto card, be sure to check out the product links provided in the description below.